Um, Good day, sir, and I am Uyo Jushayansi and my partner Gloria Matthew, and now we're going
Good
to
afternoon, sir.
discuss emergency contraception pills. This is a method falls under the category of artificial of or modern family planning. Um, we titled this presentation a responsible choice because emergency contraception pills are most effective when used responsibility and understanding. And it's just about having access to this option, but also knowing when how to use it appropriately within the broader context of sexual. So, how the method works. So, how the emergency contraception pills work. So, well, they contain a higher dose of hormones compared to regular birth control pills. These hormones primarily work in three ways. First, they can prevent ovulation, which means they stop the ovary from releasing an egg. No egg, no chance of fertilization. Second, if ovulation has already occurred, emergency contraception pills can interfere with fertilization itself, making it harder for sperm to meet and fertilize the egg. And third, in the in the rare case that fertilization does happen, emergency contraception pills can prevent the fertilized egg from implanting in the uterus. And it's important to emphasize that emergency contraception pills are designed for emergency use only, not as a regular use method of birth control. Relying on them frequently can disrupt your menstrual cycle and reduce their effectiveness over time. So advantages and disadvantages. So um, the advantages. Let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages. So one of the biggest advantages is that emergency contraception pills can prevent pregnancy after unprotected sex. Or if another birth control method fails, like a condom breaking, they are also widely available in most pharmacies. And in many places, you can get them over the counter without the prescription. And making them accessible when you need them most. However, there are disadvantages to consider to consider the emergency contraception pills. They are not as effective as regular birth control methods like condom or daily pills. So they also come with potential side effects such as headache and irregular bleeding. Most importantly, emergency contraception pills do not protect against sexually transmitted infections. So, while they can prevent pregnancy, they don't get safety of your overall sexual health. Okay, Dobby?
As soon as possible after unprotected sex. So, effectiveness decreases with time. Some types must be used within 72 hours, while others can be taken up after 5 after sex. But usually, it's have a very, this is very effective for uh, a couple that is having some or planning to have a safe so that they will be not get pregnant. So the cost of time contraception pills can vary depending on brand and location. So availability, it's available for more every drugstore and pharmacy like that. Next slide, pre. Then on there the summary of this emergency contraception pills. It is very important for backup option, but if ever like it's late now. You have to accept it because it's just for your own doing. You're doing it for like what we call that. You're doing it as a couple, man, and even if you're gonna get pregnant, you have just to accept it because it's your doings. Like dili ka makablame mo client tao na. Pero mo lagi na gigon, we're gonna have to be responsible of what we're doing because every actions have consequences, man. So for emergency resuscitation pills, it's a very safe and effective man to prevent pregnancy. Like, pero mo lagi na there's some side effects, there's advantages and disadvantages. Like failures, I like na mga something ay mong mo feel ni mo na ba katkata na pre like so it's important to understand that ECPs or emergency concentration pills does not terminate an existing pregnancy and it's not the same as an abortion pill. So ECP are most effective when taking is most effective when taking as soon as possible after intercourse, ideally within 24 hours. And sometimes, and but said mo lagi na mabot 2 to 5 days. Side effects are generally mild and temporary, such as nausea, fatigue, headache. Luoy gud ang bayan ni apart kay mag-take og pills for mudao siya. And emergency contraception is intended for occasionally use or not, should not replace regular contraceptive methods like birth pills, implants, or condoms. Like stick to one lang ka, which are more effective or ongoing pregnancy prevention. And it also help and also protect against sexually transmitted infections. Access to emergency contraception empowers individuals to take care of their reproductive health, reduce the risk of intended pregnancies, and make informative decisions after an unexpected situation. Awareness and educational are crucial as misinformation can prevent timely use. Overall, emergency contraception pills play a vital role in public health by providing a reliable backup option when primary conception fails or not used. So this type of it is very important, Jud, sir, for everyone that is having a like wala na jud kay hopeless na ka sa ano mo kuan you just mo na yung option mo so that you will not able to what take the pregnancy to be pregnant. Okay na to, pre? Pila naman to ka minute?
3. Yeah. Mas
Sus
ganina.
daw lang mo.